CIDB runs under QLAS. I believe you guys heard before. Okay. So nowadays, actually more and more projects ongoing, doing on this to have all these so-called green building projects is because it is one sort of a selling point to the people now, because we are, as a human, we always been reminded we have to do more good to the environment and everything. So we're moving more towards on that. It's one of our selling point. Okay. So by adopting this green RE criteria, so the chapter develop a high performance green building which are energy and resource efficient. The chapter will have a lower operating cost, thus reducing the living expense of the resident. So I'm not sure where are you guys living, either in Johor ke atau
so for me, I'm from KL.
Okay, then definitely the chance to live in a high rise lah. Okay, so as we all know, high rise you need a lot of maintenance costs. That's why, for example, the lift facilities, blah blah blah, everything. This it consume a lot of energy. So our green design here is to reduce this energy and the living cost. Okay, which the less energy you use, the less expenses on the living cost. Right. Okay. So we move on to the first point. Okay. So the very first point of this is saving homeowners money. So through this our design, as you can see the first point, we have been designed to achieve a residential envelope transmittance value baseline not more than 25 per meter square, which is to reduce the heat gains and thus reduce air conditioning system. Meaning to say, kita punya building dalam common area atau dalam unit kita ada kita provide enough of a ventilation to reduce per meter square the heat you might feel. Yeah. So which reduce the use of this air conditioner. For example, you are Gabriel. Okay. You stay in high rise?
Yeah.
So basically normally high rise will not need so much of air conditioner compared to the landed or yeah, because it's you are in higher area which more windy, so on and so forth. So further improve on that, which get the good ventilation. So we will need to reduce the use of the air conditioner. Okay. So the second one is most of the living space are sufficient daily, which are limiting the artificial lighting. So our design has been used, for example, the corridor area, we have natural lighting coming through. So yes, so in the daylight, we still need the switch on the lighting, but you don't need to fully switch it on. Okay, maybe in one row of the corridor you have like 12 units of the lightings. Maybe at the daylight you just need to switch it on 6 units.
So you can split the orientation.
Yes. This is a way to save the cost, the energy, the efficiency, by using the solar light, the sunlight. Okay. Third is use of energy efficient lighting in Korea. So that is already explained. Car park is naturally ventilated. Yes, something like what we talked before the response. Use the lift with energy efficient switches such as AC, variable voltage, variable VVF for flow drive. This is to on lift, because as for one development after, in one high rise area, the energy to be used most at the most is the lift, because it's everyday use and 24 hour running. Okay, so to save to use the type of AC variable voltage in this lift auto, we can save a lot more compared to those the other type of. Provision for a gearless rev lift is on the lift. So the last one is the chapter is well connected on synergy located on matured neighborhood, which actually you are talking about the township here, which the chapter is under Sunsuria City, where Sunsuria City is well planned and well designed we have buses using the EV charger one as a private transport. So we are well planned, so you don't need to like what do you call that? You have your access, you have private transport access. So to the second point, we also providing residents with better indoor air and higher quality of life lah. Basically, it's more to in terms of naturally we design a very good indoor comfort and very and also the product we are using for the paint, especially the 0.4, is a very low VOC product. So volatile organic compound. Okay.
This is the paint.
Yes, paint.
So if you are familiar with the terms,
Yeah. Our manufacturer.
you don't understand us.
Yeah.
So lastly, this may not be in use of at the moment for this project, but we are also here for future project. We are here to promote the material efficiency. For example, if you have heard of IBS before, yeah, which can reduce a lot of material of wastage, but for IBS system is more to between the cost and efficiency lah, and also that's why this is not every developer in consideration to use IBS. Yeah.
In terms of during construction, right? Most of the time people tend to follow the traditional method, right? Conventional method instead of IBS, because most of them said IBS can delay your works because of the manufacturing factory.
Yes and no. In construction, there is no exact answer. Okay. As I said, this all depends on the profit. The profit and also the costing. That's why we have to study deeply whether it need to be used this IBS system. Yes, but why some of the big company can use the IBS system because they are more mature. Their project is not only on one project. Maybe at the one go they have 2 or 3 projects where they can use this IBS system for the same poultry project, which is more on cost efficient because they can. Okay. So where they can book this IBS on one manufacturer only for them. That's why they can get. Let's say you are not so okay, maybe you only have one project and then you want to push this, they might have the restriction on here because your volume is not huge. That in the end is come back is a profit and cost efficient. Okay.
If you have like repetitive construction, duplication, it's much better to use IBS. If you're building like different shape, it's very difficult.
Because the mold, everything you need to customize to suit your own project. Yeah.
So how about say we state that 70% of the building must be using IBS system, right? So in this project, is it still using the 70%?
Sorry.
70% is the requirement. So basically, for high-rise over here, we are using system formwork. The formwork itself already cover almost 50%. So other features you add on to that. So at the moment, we are still complying to that 70% lah minimum.
So mostly using panel lah.
Steel panel, aluminum formwork, sorry, aluminum formwork.
If lightweight brick you see
Yes. AAC block.
So other than that, we also can use the system formwork which have the good quality, speedy erection, because this is more on the concrete side. So if you have a good formwork, your work will be more fast, more efficiently, and also less wastage. Okay. environmental management practice will also be very beneficial to minimize the construction waste. Okay, so use of aluminium with recycle. This one I believe is not so. It's still new in the market lah. I would say possible. The aluminium recycle content not is quite new yet lah. So we are also still studying on this proposal, and then how to move on in more future. For this we yet be using in the current project. Okay, and also use of steel with recycled content, how to reduce. This one is also quite still, I believe it's still new. We are still quite in the conventional way of use, very
Recycled content is
I'm not really clear about this aluminum with recycled content project. How is that actually? The aluminum with recycled content.
Okay, just for example, formwork, you most very conventional way you use the wooden type, right? Yes. The type that do that. Nowadays we can use aluminum type, which can be used as from the recycled. That's for the examples.
So this company, they do apply recycling as one of the possible strategies to.
In future, not for this one.
This is still new in the market.
Yeah, not new lah. Just our company is only started to approach and see. Okay, I believe still.
So may I ask, are there any other construction material that will be used for recycling method other than aluminum?
At the moment, one is like aluminum. So this is a very on this our project exactly, right? So this is brief on why we are having this green building, achieve this green building in Bronze Award on this. Yeah.
Just to add on, other than the recycling product we use, we also use like sustainable green product. For example, like the waterproofing, the ceiling board, exterior paint, they have a green label at that product. So they also can contribute to our scoring for green RE.
in terms of the green bronze award, right? Is it we are the one who follow the requirement of bronze award, or do they are the one
No, it's on depends on the developer. So because since we started at the lower rating first. After we gain the experience, then we have confidence, then we boost. So for example, over here we started with bronze, and then we also have another project, industrial park, is also bronze. But there are just started project this year. We started to raise the bar already to silver. That is the high-rise building. So we started not straight away run up. We walk first, we experience, we understand, then only we increase the rating.
So there are standards and specifications that you need to follow in order to
Yes,
achieve this.
there's a scoring for every rating.
Scoring.
Yeah. This one the score rating. Okay, for example, if you also later Google, you can also see this is the rating. So anything between 50 to 75 is bronze. So subsequently 90 and above is platinum. So that means there are four rank here. Like this. So for that project we need to come up with a scorecard. What are the features that we're going to implement for that project? Okay, go back.
This is the plan.
Okay, you see minimum 50. There's a guideline lah. You can take it from Green RE website. This is the serial number, Green RE residential building version 3.2. Okay, you download the guideline. There's a very detailed technical specification inside. So whenever you comply, there are score. They give score. So for example, for example here maybe we look at okay, daylighting. So maximum score for this item actually we can like hit up to 6 points, but we only aim at 3. So in order to achieve 3, what are the features that we need to have? So we need to have daylight at living room, bedroom, this kind of things. So if we would like to comply all, then we can get 6. Then after we plus everything, so all the features, okay, indoor environment quality, green features, landscape, this will be the score. So you see here 53 is within bronze. So the score can go up to 155. Anything above 90 is platinum.
Anything above 90.
Yes. So this is the table. Based on this, we decide which one we want to start first. So as a starter, we start with bronze. Then after we gain momentum, we also just recently launched project. We already set at silver. Maybe next year we set at gold. Like that.
So basically this program is the starting point.
Please take. Pause. Latte.
Zone house. Oh, gula.
Yang mana?
Ada yang description statement.
Min kalau DM ni dia.
Yang tadi tu, yang ada dalam.
Oh.
Ada dia. This one under which subject? This topic.
Sustainable construction and management.
Oh. Okay.
Macam tak ada belajar lah dulu.
Baru.
Ada.
10 years back.
Oh, okay.
Masa dulu that time teknologi tak berapa advance. So not anything like this. I think the certification also maybe that time still not there. Not yet established. That's why the syllabus upgraded.
So basically, these are the 3 main points for this project. Like we are complying with. For the first one, like saving homeowners money, then providing better indoor, then promote material efficiency. So these are the main 3 points.
Yeah. No, the last point of promote material efficiency. This one is more on the future. This to increase your marks, the point to achieve the further exactly now bronze. If you achieve silver, to achieve the gold, yeah, you can adopt this type of method, which can be achieved on your as a green building or what.
Q&A session.
Before that, maybe because most of the question might be on the what do you call that on the project, the chapter. Maybe I give you a very quick brief on what is the chapter lah.
Sure.
You guys dari fakulti? Kejuruteraan civil lah. Semester 3.
Year 3.
Second year. Year 3. Year 3. Semester 6. 5.
No project. No green pictures project lah. Mostly in Cranberry lah. Yeah. So then only is spread out. So whatever you think will be started here, then spread out. So in order to reach Berhad, maybe take some time.
Takes some years.
Okay, a very quick one for the chapter. So basically it's one block of the Soho 21 levels, okay, which consists of 518 units.
Do you guys know what Soho means?
Yeah.
What's it?
Soho.
Yeah.
S-O-H-O.
S-O-H-O. Like what Mr. Azli said just now, I think every room in the Soho is studio room.
What it stands for?
Oh, it stands for
S-O-H-O.
Soho.
Any guess?
Google.
You ask me, I will do. What is Soho?
Small office, home office.
Small office, home office.
Okay.
And also, can you see beside the 518 unit, what else you see here? What is this multi-unit?
Affordable.
Yes. Okay. 92 units. Okay. Overall, we have basically 600 over units. So this is some development data. Okay, overall is 610 units, 21 floors. Car park total we have 800 over car parks, 16 bays. Whereas the 16 bays actually is for the OKU. This is all under requirement from the every city council. Okay. So for efficiency, 64%, or 73%. Okay. This is the overall layout. Okay. This one, I believe, this total view is on the scale model. Yes. Okay. So traffic flow, we have two-way, one coming from over here. This area will be two ways, both way. But we also have another entrance over here, which is coming over here. This is the main lobby. That's why we are main lobby for the residential. So this Soho actually is a commercial title land. So you must understand what is commercial title and residential title. This is some extra knowledge for you guys. So commercial title where we can have shops, retail shops on our projects together with the apartment. This one we don't call condominium. We call service apartment. Yes. So over here, this is our main lobby. So we only put one way road over here because we don't want to confuse. But over here is because our retail shop is all facing this front. This another drop off. This drop off is more on the retail shop. So I think it's a two-way flow. It's more on architect side. Yeah. Okay. So overall shop at the ground floor. Car park car park volume is on level 1 until level 6, and a common facilities area where we have swimming pool, fitness, retail shop. Okay. And the unit itself is from level 7 until level 20. Some sort of ground floor plan. So you can see we have some shop lots, some M&D rooms, mail room. This is our lift lobby. Okay. So this is the level 1 car park. It's car park area. Okay. Typical car park area. Level 2. So up until level 6. And then this is our level 7 pod. We call this a podium area, but we do have units at this podium area. Okay, because we have some common facilities like swimming pool, some garden you can walk around. Yeah. And these are the units.
So which one is pre-planned?
What does it mean? No, it is under our plan.
Under planning. So like already decided earlier which area of this garden. and
Yeah,
this one.
definitely. But this is what we normally do is we propose what we need. The architect will come back proposal to us with options, and then from that we only not only decide make some changes. Okay, but it's not all this is not under project on I mean under construction of the engineer itself only. You need to involve this into the sales and marketing department. Okay. Right, so this is our typical unit floor. All units is over here. Okay. So our floor, our unit is from level 7 until level 20. So it's sorted. Okay. A quick one only. You don't need to know into very details. Okay. And this is our rooftop. After roof. Okay. This is our perspective drawing. Okay. So as you can see, one of the green component we also have here is we have finishes with this what we call this facade clay brick at the back something like that. So this one we only do bare finishes. We don't use paint, we don't use plastering, we don't use skin. That's why we save some energy consumption there during construction. This is one of the score as well. Okay. So these are the back side and this side finishes. Okay, I think this is a very quick brief what this project about. Okay. You may proceed on your
Okay. First.
you have all this.
Yeah. So I'll start with the Q&A question regarding our syllabus. So during construction, right? How do this company manage manpower effectively during construction?
Sorry?
Manage manpower during construction. I mean in terms of construction. In construction.
No, I don't get it. What management? What does it mean?
How do you guys manage manpower?
Manage the manpower resources. Okay. So for manpower resources,